Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find some of the best Discord servers and communities to join for in Valorant. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I'd like to use this little tool called discord.org. And what it is it's basically a collective database showing you all of the public servers that you can join for Discord that focus on a specific type of niche or subject. So your interests will align with the people that are in this group, or I should say, in the Discord servers in this website. So the idea is when you go to this site right here, you basically just want to click on the search bar and type in your niche or your line of interest. So in this case, it's going to be Valorant. So if I type down Valorant, it's going to pull up all of the servers that have to do with Valorant via tags. So if you guys want to narrow down your search, you could click on the you can search it by tag instead of the actual keywords, like so. And it's going to pull up all of the servers that are categorized by member count or by activity. So obviously, if you're going to opt for the bigger servers, you could click on this drop down right here and select member count, and it's going to organize the servers for you via member count. So also, if you want to change the language, if you want to talk to people who speak the same language as you, you could also do that. So in my case, I'm going to select English, and it's going to pull up all of the servers that have to do with Valorant. So here are a couple of Valorant ones. Actually, let me refresh the page so the images load real quick. Here we are. So there's Valorant and there's Valorant LFG. So the idea here is you basically want to look for the servers that align with your interests. So here's an example. So there's a People's Cult. People's Cult is a server for shit posting, memes, low moderation, blah blah blah. So if the topics in the server are more up your alley, then you could definitely join this one. But I'm not going to, because you can probably tell from their tags that they're not very safe for work. So there's that. There's also Valorant LFG. There's Valorant itself. There's Lost, Games and Chill, Mitters, so on and so forth. So I'm going to join the biggest one here, and it's just going to be Valorant, like so. So to click to join it, simply click on Join this server, and you'll be redirected to their invite link, which looks like this. So we're going to wait for this to load, and here we are. And from here, you want to add your display name and make sure that you're logged in to your Discord account to actually join. Now, you simply need to click on continue, and you can have at it and engage with your community or the people in the server. So as you can see, there are 1.1 million members in this Discord server, so that's pretty crazy. So it's definitely not short of active players for sure. So here you can engage with the community, find new friends to play with, climb ranked, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.